Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today I am back with my first episode of my Diwali series, and today I am going to do something very simple, a little bit of smoky, because you guys love a good smoky eye. But I'm not going to do a black smoky eye because that's something that I already did. Today I just thought of doing something with some colors. Like, it will be very wearable, so it will be very easy as well. So I am really excited for today's video. Without any further ado, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. To subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. First, I am going to prime my face. I already moisturized my skin. I'm gonna prime my face with this Studio Finish primer from MAC Cosmetics, and this is a really good primer. So I'm just gonna take this much primer. You need a little bit and you are good to go. And then, as you guys can see, that I have no brows on, and I have a new brow pencil with me. This is from Lakme, and this is their newly launched Micro Brow Perfector. This is a really good eyebrow pencil, guys. I am in love. It's expensive, but it is really good, especially if you want to do soapy bushy brows. Like, it's kind of a trend nowadays, full bushy thick brows with this kind of eyebrow pencil, and I just love using it in upward motion, just like this. And I'm just drawing like fake hair, just like this. As you guys can see, just like this, I'm just drawing. Okay, just ignore my nose. I just rubbed it so hard and it is looking so red. Anyways, this is what my eyebrows are looking right now, and I'm really happy how they turned out. It's very bushy, and I am into this kind of brows lately. I'm gonna take my ColourPop concealer as my eyeshadow base, and first I am going to start with my eye makeup, and then I am going to do my face makeup. For today's look, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette from Lakme. This is, I think, their newly launched eyeshadow palette, and this one is their Spotlight eyeshadow palette. Palette name is Berry Martini. As you guys can see, that you have few warm shades, and then you have few cool tone, purplish, mauvish kind of shades. Like this section right over here, it's so cool tone, and this section right over here, it's kind of a warm tone, and here also you have a cool tone shade as well. I think this is a really beautiful festive eyeshadow palette, and yeah, you have shimmer shades, you have matte shades, you have few transition colors as well. Go with this shade right over here because it's very light and it will act as my transition color. Also, it will set my concealer as well. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush like this. Let me zoom you guys in. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush like this, and very softly I'm just going to blend this shadow. My base, I'm gonna use a kajal, and this one is from House of Makeup, and this is obviously in the shade black. So I'm just going to use it all over my eyelid. I know you guys are like, oh my god, then how am I going to blend it out? I just promise you, trust the process and you will see the magic. I'm just doing kind of like a liner, like a thick eyeliner, and I'm just taking it outwards. Don't worry if it looks bad, if it looks messy. Take a brush like this and I'm just going to blend out the edges first. This is a smudger brush. It's looking very soft. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this shade right over here. Beautiful soft mauvey kind of a look. Like, see why? That's the reason I used that black shade first, because it will act as a smoky base. Because if you use this shade first and try to make it smoky, you need a lot of time, you have to blend it out really well, you have to just use it again and again and again and again, and then it will just turn into a smoky eye. So this is what my eyes are looking right now, and I'm so happy how beautiful, with a very soft pop of purple, it is looking such a beautiful soft smoky kind of a look. So one more thing, if you don't want to use this purple shade, you can go with any other shade that you love. You can use any brown shade, you can do a brown smoky eye, you can just switch colors. If you think that you are not going to use purple, you don't love purple, or your dress is not matching with that purple, or you are just not feeling that purple, use some brown, use some pink, use some green, blue, whatever you feel like, or you can just go with a classic black smoky eye look. I just used a little bit of purple to just give my eyes a little bit of color and to make a very beautiful mauvish kind of a smoky eye look. I just used a very natural false eyelash. You can go with mascara if you want. False eyelash is not necessary. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild foundation. This is in the shade Desert Beige. Is it not too much? Sponge, and I'm going to blend out everything. I am going to use the same concealer from Colourpop, and I'm just going to use it right over here, a little bit over here. My concealer, and I'm gonna take my PAC translucent powder, a lovely powder, and you guys know how much I love it. I'm gonna take my same sponge, I'm gonna take the powder. Take the same kajal, I'm gonna use it not all over my lower lash line, just my outer corners. Small brush like this, I'm gonna take this purple shade right over here, and I am just going to smudge out this area. I'm not going to move my kajal here and there, I'm just smudging it right where it is. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild bronzer. I'm just going to bronze up my skin. Blush, I'm gonna use my Color Bar blush, and I'm just going to use it right over here. This is a really soft blush, perfect for this kind of look. And for my highlighter, I'm gonna take this shade right over here. It's a very beautiful golden kind of a shade. I don't know how this is going to look, but I'm just gonna try it out. This is the finished look. I paired it up with one neck piece, and that's pretty much it. I'm just loving how beautiful, kind of an Indo-Western this look is. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, I hope you guys will recreate this. I'm really excited to see your recreations. Some of you guys may not know that I have a highlight where I save all your recreations there. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.